Yes, sir. Excuse me. Cut.
आज इब्जा में शिल्पा जी, राज जी और सभी मीडिया का स्वागत है। 2 अप्रैल, पहले ये 1 अप्रैल को वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होने वाली थी तो बहुत बड़ा अप्रैल फूल हो जाता इसलिए इसको सेकंड किया गया।
So whatever be the gold price in 5 years from the time that you bought the gold, that is our risk. But जिस दिन आप गोल्ड खरीदते हो उस वक्त जो प्राइस है उस हाँ जो IBJ फिक्स करता है, so obviously that is the price that we will deliver to you. इसके बारे में राज और ज़्यादा खुलासा करेंगे।
जिस दिन आप गोल्ड बुक करेंगे IBJ का जो भी रेट होगा उस टाइम पे आपको एक इनवॉइस मिलेगी और विल सेंड यू अ गोल्ड कार्ड। तो आपको वो गोल्ड कार्ड संभाल के रखना है और जब आपका कलेक्शन टाइम आता है तो एनी सब्ज्यूट स्टोर यू गिव योर गोल्ड कार्ड, टेक योर गोल्ड एंड द डील इज ओवर irrelevant of the gold price at the time.
It's been very creative in my life. I think after becoming an actor, it opens a lot of avenues for you. I didn't have the opportunity to go to a school and learn gemology or learn designing, but I've always been very inclined to जो pieces मैं पहनती हूँ मैं कई बार खुद ही डिज़ाइन करती हूँ और अपने ज्वेलर को बोलती हूँ कि ऐसे बनाओ. So there have been a lot of offers from jewelers also where they've asked me to endorse and do a jewelry line for them. तो मैंने सोचा अगर मैं करूँ तो मैं अपने लिए करूँ, मैं किसी और के लिए क्यों करूँ. So I'm wearing the first piece that I've designed on my neck. Yeah, and eagle eyes का बहुत trend चल रहा है, मैं भी बहुत पहनती हूँ, अपने मंगलसूत्र पे पहनती हूँ. तो मैंने सोचा कि इसके ऊपर एक पूरा लाइन करो जो अफोर्डेबल हो. So our prices range from 5,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees. So I think it's really affordable.
So unfortunately it's non-transferable and once you bought it it's non-refundable. These are the laws of the land we have to follow. So ये plan design करने में we have to go through a lot of approvals, legal approvals. So it's firstly non-transferable. And your second question on the gold, this is I think one of the only companies that tells you कि आपको 999 pure 24 karat fine gold मिलेगा, no adulteration, no making charges, nothing. At 1.1% that gets added. So whatever the laws of the land, the taxes of the land, we will follow
1.1%.
1.1%.
It is effective 1st April.
Oh, so it's reduced. 1st of April is now 1%.
क्या बात है?
Have to change my software.
मैंने उसमें सोचा नहीं है. Like I said, gold is something that is bought more than diamonds. मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था recently, which is a fact कि 11% of the gold, the world's gold market is commanded by the Indian housewives. More than the reserves of America, Germany and Switzerland all put together. So you can imagine gold की क्या value है हम औरतों के लिए, हम हमारी ज़िंदगी में. So somebody else from the IBJ just said पति से ज़्यादा gold मायने रखते हैं housewife की ज़िंदगी में. They feel more secure with the gold.
I've got to leave something for my son when I leave. I think gold. Not many people know, for the last 15 years I've been trading precious metals from London. I have one of the oldest refineries in London. We have businesses in Peru, in South Africa. So precious metal is something that I've been very fond of and I've been doing. So this was just an extension. So we only do things that we understand properly, otherwise we don't get into it.
Gold at today's price it will be around 30,000. So 30,000. If you take a 5-year plan, you'll get 37% off. So you only have to pay, how much is that maths, Raj? 18,000. You only have to pay an upfront of 18,000 and you'll get 10 grams of gold in 5 years at this price. And at that time, obviously in 5 years time, it will definitely be worth at least 45,000 or 50,000. So you're getting it at 18,000. So it's like... AC बंद करवाया क्या आपने? Yeah.
बस ये shut up and bounce ना हो जाए.
Yes, please. Hold. Thank you. Next.
हो गया.
Hey, camera. आगे आगे फोटो थोड़ा पीछे जाएगा और पूरा
हाँ।
अरे हळू साले तुझं क्लिप्स आहेत